Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate the pots in two different ways. These are the pots. I got it from the farm or a nursery when I bought a plant in them. They're supposed to be either thrown out after you plant in the ground, or you can recycle these pots. But today I'm going to show you how you can upcycle them and decorate them, and you can use them in the house. So first method is by using the plastic bags. As usual, I straightened them, cut them, joined them, and created braids out of them. Almost I have created 80 feet of this string. Then I glued the braided strings onto the pot, and I almost used 45 bags here, a lot of them. So I'm happy to tell you that I saved 45 bags from going into landfill. The second method is by using the packaging material and also the plastic bags. I use the packaging material that I got in one of the shipments, and I'm going to cover the pot with it. This honeycomb beautiful design paper, kind of a mesh, is supposed to be, to protect the packaging. It's a protective packaging. So this is very easy to glue. It's a paper. So I glued it onto the plastic, and then I cut the bottom and secured it with hot glue gun. Then I used the same method as before. I used the plastic bags, made the braids out of it. It's a brown plastic bag. The braids just look like rope. I just glued on the rim of the pot on the top and on the bottom and made some design in the middle, just to give it a more decorative look. I have used here 9 plastic bags overall to make the braid, and the packaging paper. So this is the final product. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see any of the household waste material to be upcycled in some form and shape. I would be happy to create something and share with you. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.